Alright guys, we've just been walking down the road and we've noticed that there's an abandoned building here. It is under construction and we noticed that the door's open. So, let's go inside. Oh yeah. I reckon there might be a way into the air raid shelters from this. Right, so guys, let's have a little look, because we might get lucky and we might even be able to get into the air raid shelters from this side. Look at that. Oh, gas canisters and that. Pigeon. Not getting me today. You're not getting me today, Mr. Pigeon. Alright. Toilet. Toilets. Oh, we're going up. So yeah, we've not got any information on this building at all, because we was literally walking past and seen it. But I know that it used to be an old mill in Stockport, and as we said, it is under construction. Literally under construction. Oh. Yes. Spiral staircase. I best get out of here, they're actually working. So does that mean they're actually knocking it down with me inside? Shit! Oh dear, let's get back to this bit at least, because this bit's separate to that other bit. That's where they're knocking it down. A book for my car?
Yeah.
Check that out!
That's it?
No, it's not.
What's up? Carlton?
Yeah, Carlton.
We found loads of these Haynes manuals, haven't we? All over the place. So that's school garage.
It's the window.
Come on, let's get out of the way. That window's going to go anytime. It's going to fucking fall out. I was stood here, yeah?
Go and have a look through here. Yeah, look at that. Columns. I will in a minute. Another toilet. What's through that hole in the wall?
Another area shelter entrance, but it's blocked up.
Is it? See, I thought we'd be able to get in
There's
from
another one of the
here.
blast walls.
I thought we'd be able
Where
to...
they go zigzag.
Yeah. So we'll go and have a look through here, because as I thought, you can get into the air raid shelter. Look at that. So we're actually inside the air raid shelter. That would have been ventilations. The boys are saying that it's blocked up. Ah, that's a bit grim, isn't it? Look, it's all filled in. They're bloody baggers. They're bloody baggers, ain't they? Look at that. On the other side of that is back in. Bloody baggers. That would have been good, wouldn't it? And go down to them guys that are working down there. Hello! Ah, man. I thought that when I was saying to the lads the other day, that factory might actually have a way in. And it did. No way, that's gutting that. That's bloody gutting it is. No way, look at that. It's got the actual sandstone as part of the factory wall. That's a bit dodgy. Ash, I don't think you should be going upstairs. How cool is that? They've actually got the sandstone as part of the wall. Right guys, not very exciting, but it's something different. But a little bonus was I found out that I was right with the idea of thinking I could have got in the air raid shelters from here if it wasn't all filled in. So I hope you've liked this little urbex. I would have liked to go in the other side a bit more, but the diggers was knocking it down as I was walking through, so I liked it. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it. Why not? Everybody else is. And I'll see you next time.